Not much coming out, eh?
Oh, snaked it out.
I can't understand why it's making the noise though.
Well,
like a dripping noise. You heard when I...
Yeah, I hear it. I'm not sure. Maybe a vent. That might be the next thing, a vent problem.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure. So let's see if it does it now.
Yeah.
I put a spade on it, so it really shouldn't bring it back. It should just break up whatever is there.
Right there, okay.
I felt a few spots, but I'm not sure, right?
Yeah. How many years are you doing this job now?
Oh, going on 3 decades.
30 years, eh?
And going on. With the same company.
Same company?
Yep.
I've been in the body shop business for 35.
Yeah. Same company? Or you
no.
moved around a bit?
I will only have 6 companies.
Oh, 6?
Yeah.
Ooh, shit,
So
6.
this last company I was there for 12 years and I hurt my leg, so
Oh.
I've had enough like bending, climbing ladders.
Oh, buddy, I fell off my roof.
You
I
fell off the roof?
crushed all my discs. I was off for over almost 4 months trying to just get out of bed and walk around.
Well,
Bruised up, terrible.
and when I just started out in the trade,
Yeah.
I fell off on a damaged my discs.
Yeah.
I was out for like 6 months.
Yeah, I know.
So I went back. Never hurt my back. I just wanted to be careful how I did.
Yeah.
2019, I fell off a ladder at work.
Yeah.
All my weight went on the right leg. So the ACL and 2
Yeah.
ligaments.
Oh, jeez.
16 months I was off.
Oh.
I didn't want to do surgery, so I did the physio.
Yeah.
I went back to light duty and then I end up, like I paint cars, right?
Yeah. Oh, painting.
Yeah.